Alright, what's going on today, YouTube? So today we are going to be stripping the bike down, getting all the body panels off of it, and getting the carburetor out to refresh that. Also got a new chain for it, so it's going to be a two-part build series. And the first part, yeah, we're just going to be getting everything off, and then the second part we're going to get everything put back on. So also got new shorty pipes for it over here. It's two of these because they're, of course, you know, it's a twin exhaust. So we're gonna get some before clips of the exhaust and how it sounds. I'm gonna start it and then do some flybys, and then we'll, in the next video, once we get these on, we'll do the after. But I already took one side off and got one side on, and I already kind of know what it's gonna sound like, and I'm pretty pumped. So let's get those before clips, and then we will start breaking her down. You can already tell it's running kind of rough, and that's the carb issue I'm talking about. So I got a whole kit coming in with new jets and new seals and everything. Yeah, not running the best, but once everything is like refreshed, I think it'll run pretty good. So. One thing you're also going to notice, I'm going to try to accelerate past the house, and you're going to hear it hogging, and I think that's like the running jet. Yeah, it's pretty clogged, so you'll get to hear that too. But time to wake up.
Top Gun looking guy.
Did you hear the sputtering I was talking about?
On the first pass.
Yeah. The second one, like, you really have to get on it, and then once, I think, like, once the throttle's open a certain amount, it switches to the, like, there's a high flow jet or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called, but when it switches to that, that's when it opens up. So that one's fine, but you gotta, like, really just hold it. Then once it gets going, then that's when it kicked in pretty much right as I was passing.
I wonder if there's like a, I don't want to say air pocket, but like once there's enough pressure on the first jet, it cycles to the second jet.
Yeah, I don't know how it works, but you know, they're supposed to be cleaned every, you know, 6 months or whatever. Actually, I don't even know, but I haven't cleaned them yet, and I rode all last summer, and I bought it used for $1,500 off of my friend, so I don't know the life ahead for that as well. Did you hear the chain at all?
I wasn't really paying that too much attention.
The chain, like, I notice it while I'm on it. The chain is, it's just at the end of its rope. I'm worried about it breaking, to be honest, so that's why I got a new one. And I've cleaned it, re-greased it and everything, but it's just really noisy. So
your O-rings are probably toast.
Yeah, like everything on it is done for. So so one more thing. Actually, after we get the bike stripped down, we're gonna get these body panels off. The frame, they buffed it. It came factory as black, as you can see. If you look like farther up, the frame turns into black. So that's how it was. And the bike was burgundy red before I started painting it. So like it kind of looked good with the chrome and everything. But now we're going back to like more dark and green and more aggressive. So we're gonna paint that black again, and we're also gonna be painting the forks and the rear subframe system, whatever you want to call that. We're going to be painting that black as well. We're going to let this cool down a little bit, and then we're going to get to work.
One eternity later.
Okay, it's a pretty short ride. The exhausts aren't too hot, so I think I'm going to go with those first, just because I want to see like how slim the rear of the bike's going to be.
Feel better?
A little bit. 11? Oh, wait.
Brother!
That sounded crunchy.
Oh yeah, crunchy.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm so good at pulling out.
Oh god.
Yeah, feel that. Oh! I told you.
I wasn't expecting it to weigh that much. Yeah, you definitely get some weight savings there.
That's it, yeah. 15. I don't know.
It might be more.
Actually, maybe more, yeah.
So that was like 2/3 of a chonky.
Holy shit. Yeah, that's some weight. That's some weight.
Maybe we should weigh it.
Oh, yeah.
She looks more like a sport bike now.
Yeah.
Well, at least on one side.
Alright, what's next? Let's get the body off now. Which is going to be the most stressful piece. I had it running and I slipped it in and it muffled it a little bit and it actually gave it more of a tone instead of just
I think you almost took out the heater.
blew the flame up.
Yeah, it definitely flickered.
Did it really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you should have told me to bring my power tools.
I wouldn't trust hitting these with bits, to be honest.
Well, just gotta be gentle. Just don't go full on.
All I gotta say is, if you guys are thinking about doing like a bolt color change thing on your bike, don't buy them from Amazon for $20. All right, Corey, he's in shock a little bit. He's never seen the bike this naked before.
No.
So, yeah. He said he doesn't like,
I don't like naked bikes.
yeah.
But it looks like a stunt bike to me.
Why don't you like them?
I could not tell you. Just, I don't know. I think I like the sharp angles and like the sportiness of plastic bikes and stuff.
Yeah, more,
Aerodynamic.
yeah, more character. Yeah, so here it is with the body off. We gotta get the tank off now. And then start getting the air box and everything out. The air box is under this. And the carbs are actually right there. So yeah, get the tank off, get the carbs out. And then that will go over there on the workbench for now. And then we're gonna start tackling these wheels, the rim situations. And then get the painting. So we're gonna get back to work. We're gonna get working on this tank. And we'll get back to you when we're going to get the carbs out. We're getting the air box off. I'm hitting her with the old. You know what I'm saying?
This is a NASCAR.
But it could be.
I've never watched a lot of motorcycle racing, so I don't know. I'm sure they do it quickly. Tearing these bikes apart.
Yeah. They'll get a whole new like front fork system put on in like a minute or something. I haven't watched much bike racing either, but I saw like a clip of someone switching a front rim, I think.
Yeah, they just like pop off, slide the rail out, so they'll slide it back in, and boom.
Yeah.
The animal and its weakness. Back turned.
I'm just gonna leave those bolts in there, fuck it.
So let's hold it in there. Oh, what are we stuck on now?
It's like water drain lines.
Oh, condensation.
Yeah.
Drip line. Okay, this is the part where I'm like out of my element.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like a YouTube video would help here.
You watch one, whatever. You get everything that's wrong.
We'll be right back to you after these messages. I say if we don't have to disconnect anything, not to disconnect anything.
Oh, I have to disconnect it because it's gonna, refreshing it. It's gonna be a whole process. Setting it on the table, taking one apart, and it's gonna be a big deal. It's gonna be a big ordeal. Hopefully that stuff comes in Monday, according to the thing. Oh, actually.
Uh-oh, he's grinning.
Yeah. Okay. So, I found the parts on eBay, and there's a bunch like it, but I didn't really know which one to get. I think I found the right one, and I received an email from the seller, and this like solidified my confidence in it. The email states, "Hi dear friend, thanks for order this item. Here message you just want to kindly let you know that we will ship them out today by USPS tracking number, insert tracking number. If there is something wrong with shipment or item, hope you can send a message to us first. Talk to us. We will resolve it for you. We always believe that communication is best way to resolve problem. Best regards." So, I think I'm in good hands. We're gonna get the right part. Yeah, those should get here Monday. Let's finish getting this off, and then we're gonna start working on, I don't know, which one do you want to do first? Rear, front or rear?
Front will be easier.
Yeah. All right, so let's get this off, and then we'll start working on the front wheel. So we are gonna loosen these, and that lets the nut go, and then we can hit that, and then do the same for the other side. Then the actual axle will slide out.
Okie dokie. Alrighty.
Okay, so now that we got the axle broken loose, we are going to jack up on the exhaust to kind of get the weight to rotate that way, hopefully. Oh, by the way, before we pull this out, I just wanted to say we finally hit 100,000 views and 300 subscribers, and those are two pretty big milestones, and we hit them on the same day. So thank you guys for the support and coming back to the channel. If you're new here, consider joining the squad. We're gonna be doing lots of bike content this summer. Lots more Tanner Drive videos, car reviews, and eventually we're gonna do a build series on old Monica there.
You can see it.
Putting this V18 back in it. So if that interests you, feel free to subscribe. Click the bell icon for notifications on future uploads. Wow.
Now coming up. Do your speed sensor?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I gotta put this thing back together. It's kind of all it's hitting me now, you know?
The realization?
Yeah.
Okay, to the rear wheel.
So, for the rear wheel, rear wheel. Oh my god, what the fuck? Pretty much the same process.
Bust some nuts and...
Yeah. I'm excited to get that chain off and then feel it compared to, you know.
You gotta do the wiggle, the side to side test.
Oh my gosh.
It's probably
it's gonna be like one of those white snakes you get at Science Center.
what your chain's supposed to be like versus what it's not supposed to be like. Why did it beep? GoPro, the fuck? Doubling up. Oh, doubling up.
The socket's over there, I believe.
This one?
I think so.
Nope, that's not a socket. That's, oh, I see it. Ding, 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 ding. He got scared. What a noob. That's my thing. Oh yeah? Yep.
I'm gonna lift this, get the wheel out.
Ta-da!
Okay. Oh my god.
I see what I'm saying?
Sweet.
Was a bike.
Yeah, at one point it was a bike. Alrighty. So, yeah, we decided we're gonna make this a 3-part series. So this is part 1, disassembly. Part 2, we're gonna be painting the rear subframe, the forks, and the wheels probably. And then in episode 3 is going to be, episode 2 is painting, and then episode 3 is gonna be reassembly of the entire bike, putting the rims back on, putting the carbs back in after they've been refreshed. I'm not gonna do a video on that. And yeah, I'm putting the whole body back on. And that's gonna be a freaking awesome day. We're gonna definitely have to do a bunch of B-roll and, you know, riding compilations. And then, after this 3-part series, should be pretty close to summer. And then, you know, we're gonna be doing a lot of motovlog content, which we still have to order some stuff for that, but yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Look how sad she is. Ooh.
Womp womp.
Yep. Womp womp indeed. But, you know, things gotta get worse before they can get better. Isn't that a thing? Either way, it doesn't matter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you guys think of the bike, and let us know your thoughts if you're excited, as excited as I am. I've been looking at this thing like half assembled for the past year, so I'm really pumped to get it back together. Yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.